Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy thing that will take your cooking to a whole nother level. I'm going to show you how to roast garlic. Come on in the kitchen. Let's cook. All right, fam, here we are. We're going to roast some garlic. Now, roasting garlic is really easy, but I'm telling you, it tastes so good. People will just be clamoring for your food, and you'll be like, oh, yes, I did that. And it's so easy, they won't know it just took you a few minutes. All right, first thing you want to do is start with some garlic bulbs. Now, these are fresh garlic bulbs. By fresh, I mean I just bought them from the store, okay? If you let them sit for a while before you start to use them, they'll dry out and it may not work as well. You can still salvage it, but it may not work as well. I also like using elephant garlic, the real big ones, but those can be hard to find sometimes. So what you want to do is take your garlic bulb, okay? There's all this little extra paper on there. We're going to deal with all of that in a second. I'm going to get a piece of paper towel here, okay? You're going to cut off, see, leave this part here intact, this bottom there, okay? You're going to cut down about to here, about a ½ inch or so, straight down, because you want to expose the tops. See that? Okay. Now, I've had garlic that I didn't use right away and it dried out. And when that happens, it doesn't cut clean and the clothes fall apart. You can still roast it, but it doesn't have this cute little pretty, hole. Now you want to take off this extra paper. Okay. This over here. So simple. I asked you guys over on Facebook, I said, you guys want me to show you how to roast garlic? And everybody was like, yes, yes, yes. So I said, okay, let's do a video, right? All right, take the extra paper off, but you don't want to expose the whole clove, okay? And if you don't get all the paper, that's okay too, because it's gonna cook in it. Because the flavor's it's not gonna mess anything up, okay? I just try to get loose paper off. Okay, now you're gonna take a piece of foil, okay? And we're gonna basically make like a little pocket. You're gonna put your head of garlic right there. You see how all of the tops are exposed? I'm doing this so that when I put the things in it, they won't fall out, okay? You see that? Now you're gonna take some olive oil and generously squeeze the olive oil, okay? Now, you're gonna come back with some salt. Be generous with the salt. Don't worry that, oh, it's gonna be too salty. No, it won't, I promise you, okay? You're just gonna roast this in there really well, okay? There's our salt. Then we're gonna add some, you don't have to do the fresh cracked pepper. I think it's a good idea, okay? Just a little bit there. And I like to add some herbs. So this is some fresh rosemary. You can use rosemary or thyme, or you could just use salt and pepper or just salt. I mean, it's really that simple. And what you're gonna find as you roast this garlic, it's gonna get super soft. And you know how garlic can be kind of harsh and bitter? It's gonna be sweet and it'll spread. Oh, I can't wait, okay? You see I'm being generous with these seasonings, okay? This is intentional. And then top it with another little hit of that olive oil, okay? Then you're gonna close it up like a little packet. Make sure it's closed, okay? I do this and almost make it look like a little dumpling, okay? You see that? Like a little dumpling. All right, and I'm gonna put these into a little cast iron, all right? So I have another one, I'm gonna do the same thing with that one. See there, cut off the top, pull out the paper. I'm just showing you how easy this is. Okay, get our foil, put it there. Generous squeeze. This one I'm just gonna do plain. That way I'll have one that's rosemary and I'll have one that's plain. Okay? No harm, no foul. Okay. I'm gonna put these in a 425 degree oven for about 40 minutes. Now it's important that you do this step here, okay? That you make it look like this little dumpling, because what's gonna happen, you're gonna have your oven real high at 425 degrees, and this is gonna create all kinds of steam in this little pocket, and that's what's gonna cook back down into this garlic to make the flavor be absolutely amazing. Check it to make sure there's no little holes. If you have any holes or anything, just double up on your foil, because you wanna make sure everything stays in there. Let's drop these in the oven for about 40 minutes, and then we'll be back with some roasted garlic. Well, family, here we are. Our roasted garlic has come out of the oven. Look at this. I've let it cool because these little packets are very hot when they first come out. But you see, open it up. And I've got a little sauce I'm cooking over here so you can see how beautiful. Look at that. Yes, cool. Can you see that? And all you have to do all you gotta do is pick it up. I'm gonna squeeze some into this sauce here. See this? That's it. I just squeezed it, that's it. That's how easy it is to use roasted garlic once you get it done. And it'll be perfect in the sauce. It'll richen up the flavor. Oh, you can also take it and just rub it on, put it on a cracker and eat some. In fact, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Give me a second. And I've got a little cracker, just a water cracker. I'm gonna show you how easy this is. All you gotta do is just squeeze. See that? Okay. Just squeeze and it comes out just like that. So easy. I'm gonna spread it on my cracker. Oh, I'm telling you, it's sweet. And when garlic is sweet like this and roasted, it don't give you the hot breaths. You know what I mean? This is amazing. It's got, oh my God. This is everything. That's how easy it is to take your cooking game up. You can put this roasted garlic in mashed potatoes. You can put it in meats. You can put it in anything you put garlic on. Put this roasted garlic and I'm telling you, it will totally improve your entire cooking reputation. And it's not that hard, right? Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time right here on Calabama Cooking and the Love Lab with me, Chef Lorious. I love you guys. Mwah. Enjoy your garlic. Happy cooking. So good.